The Bugatti Grand Tour America 2023 is an exhilarating four-day extravaganza that unites Bugatti aficionados and owners. This tour set off from the lodge at Blue Sky in Park City, Utah. First stop, Helper, Utah, where guests discovered the irresistible beauty of a 1924 Conoco Station. From Helper, the expedition continued to Moab, Utah, a mesmerizing destination renowned for its breathtaking red rock formations in Arches National Park and Canyonlands National Park. The adventure continued as the Bugatti owners set out for Aspen, facing challenging weather conditions, including heavy rain and even snow. Despite the weather challenges in Aspen, the guests enjoyed a private shopping event at Hermes, followed by an exhilarating drive on Aspen's mountainous roads as the skies cleared. The adventure concluded with a visit to the renowned Kimo Sabe store, where participants crafted their own Western hats, and a celebratory dinner at Catch. This epic 608-mile journey across the American West left Bugatti customers with memories of a lifetime and a deep appreciation for the brand's exceptional cars.